Yebeba be chiche sika mamo. Yebeba be jimu momo number. Ni amani mo 500. Ezu. Eza.
Was using our money for. One in a champ or this command so from quad woman disaster about question microphone saying. What do you think?
Tamakuru.
Woman, the dear sickano. Woman, may say health. No, yes, you can quack. May say, Anna Sambua, I am Penny Foster. My papa, Nana, your regional head director. I was Shanty region. Sometimes I see a committee, Christica, they finance a cranaya. Drama hammer time, or to me, friend, or to me, Gina for so ya. Hey, now, papa, again, why one fussy camo. Missing the economy not breaking up, I just said, to the nonsense points. Now, what we have to me, Aquabayan, who dear Brunia Baba that damo. Just on a crowd, I am one more damo, because your mamma, may win us a symbio kaya. I am more cousin, I'm called Modadamo, may find a job hammer. I'm not going to blame him. I am more cousin. One and more stupid because Obio Jinaha, Mamma 500 a gumumusu. Now they are caught the Conan and Chenamodi. May the Bonkuko Buama, Nama. And so he never made a friend say he never made me would make any sense during the campaign time. What was his message? There was no a single sensible message that man made. Never. All the messages that he told you Ghanaians were stupid. There was no sense in his message. The 500 and can afford the money at the Kunon and Chedamama. Those were his message. Tell me one idea what he did to Mahama.
Sister Sabina,
one important message. Oh my God, sent to Mama Kotumano.
Sister Sabina,
bro,
Sansem who we are Mahama Koka and can afford the Dokun in Chenam. Sakani be the Kokaya in Kijada Ghana.
Oh God.
Can
you bet to me? Give it to me after
your penny been a Koka.
Now Ghana.
Now this time in the year, Babu and Hudia Shiawam.
Kebanya na swagina. Kayebe me say, Sabia me kasha sa niama be Yohanma. Na president ko forma ye en kan. Na yentimi fan compare Lomi. Lomi kwa na yentimi fan kan compare o. Eye president ko for. Otina England no hwe no hwe or London was eh. Na dia krasi be na ye capital town. And they said they are making home minister. And a president for you home minister. And no start say wo yan kan yo. Me say, ye Lagos. Nigeria for air build the Lagos no. Na yet ho ye ja o minor Majority Rollins. Na or the kum nipa. Na Accra ho na first net ma se kuma se fe chen kan ba. Ayan pipi amanya na dia ni tie ba ya. Wo mu ba best start be develop Accra. Mo hwe na na do ko no ayan kan. En kwa sia fa mo se yakoto abetia no. Mo hwe de na do ko na wa yan kan. Mo kan ye mo free ba 15 years ago. Mo ntemu 15 free mo ntiem. Se na kan ate. Na yetime de nkra akra kototulo mi ho. Togo he ya na yetime de ye capital city ko compare omu. Nigeria for developing Lagos. Me say ada ya na mo we Nigerian movies na. Lagos ba, me say as downtown. Lagos ba as me kro mu downtown. Omu ye movies am hey Nigeria no. Na Ghana na kura biase. It took NPP aban year the be developing Accra. E sha se bo ya Accra. Ama Accra ye kuro. Na momo sore so na da bia ma se be to abetia for what e dey reason kra na mo gina so tia mo to abetia NPP mon ka memintie e dey reason na mo gina so e dey to abama NPP a mo so na mo dia dis echi ye ka hwea monte asase man monti ja ye ka hwea monte mo ma ye reason tia mo to abama NPP o be twetwa tora chema na mo jet na say hwea mo we propaganda bia kwase afo mu ye ai Ghana asha 5 into president Mahama yenya 9 points. We won 3 out of the 4 matches as a 5 matches. Yeah. Ansana ba na Mahama wa brana na do so no. Ya win bi ansana. Mo hwa jo Mahama ba win o mo so ya jo Mahama ba ye ntina. Ya win. Just kwase afo sa ya reason ye. Ade na yenya di kan win na your points ansana ba we abenya we na so no. Wo mo so jo Mahama ba ye ntina. Look at people I know.
Me who sa ade ne kura point no. Be say me be bomb pie kwa se Ghana kwa ye. Yen feel you cry. Sana be your pa. Oh,
voice na enamo bobo. Voice enamo Bobo.
Oh, Bobo.
Hey, any my Ghana.
Boys, men for hun to tum. You winning here. And your Muhammad Tini, you winning. Mahamo Nyobia.
Mama, ne ho by law kuni ejashishia and the one bana come between me and winning.
Ona Shamima Muslim. Shamima no de onu no ho da jeje.
Ana mo sana trendi obusafo ene mu nyanwu ya na ene mu ko social media hu na trendi no papa na kasa kwa betu omo trendi omo si isi ana omo si aba power no afina black stars
football na yin na de jeje ani so na mo say the politics say baba be rem ama sese no ena chese mo wo so a ye nya against Ghana.
Me pacho Black Star ewinia e di adwuma Ghana fo.
Debi.
Ya fa na ese fo.
Na jubilate.
O de be mamunka.
Say youth no never Thomas.
Say youth no. I was going to talk about them. Me bro cry in fear. Woman, I don't blame them that much. Mama who John Mahama memu nesa. Na what 8 years free sa ankola ye ejima. Then time no mama me no papa no tell dem mo mu de nto man say hu ye na ye tim na ye face John Mahama memu fun no. We knew near oyeye. Enti ye de enti nkola we no mo hu John Mahama.
Gen Z is no more there omo ehun hwi o mo there. They don't care.
Yeah, you're fortunate enough. Look at how young quiet be face here. COVID is a free, you know. A bad dish, you tell say pine. Yet, try ye, and a COVID and a buy. It's in Colano, who COVID, no, COVID impacts. I don't know by experience here. It's the real amount. Yeah, you put the papa. I'm on my feeling, certain ad. Omo baba share bre mu odin na do ni tira anye ana NDC take advantage of it na almost so add to nkola ni trimu. That was the asema by na yes be share bre digitalization aba e bi ansa kwase 40 social media na Ghana ye efuom na sa kwase akeka no enti nra nkola ni tim enti ayo mo oh nta tie yo na Ghana efuom na dia ban dia graphs nko na sa nse buru no mo keka no. It's a man who ran quality. It's a room with
no, omo cost people.
Omo fisa abrabonye hwema omo da so stagnant. Omo stagi wo baby omo. Bi wan so entesa. Ana ya time na John Mahama ti so na ye ni social media ni say. Anti ki e be kakra me na wura krofo mu. Where the impact omo impact and omo akasa na feel o. John Mahama de social media nkeka nti. Nipa na didi amenkra na ya betena ha tiemu na ya ne se woni diye ba ya time no John Mahama brand de akomo de wa ya real akom na de wa wu feel wo ya mo brosaw